Okay, now the last part, exercise 1.5. These are the back of your these are the back of the chapter 1 textbook, the chapter 1 in Phys 101. They said a car travel at a constant okay. Now they said a car travel at a constant speed of 15 meter per second. Now, how many miles does it travel in 1 hour? Now, forget about the grammar. They are telling us to convert 15 meter per second to what? To miles per hour. So that is what they are asking us to do here. It's very easy. They say a car travels at a constant speed of 15 meter per second. This question is at the back of your textbook. How many miles does it travel in 1 hour? So that's what they are telling us. They say we should convert 50 meter per second to what? Miles per hour. So it's very easy. So the very first thing we are going to do, we are going to convert meter to what? To miles, then convert seconds to hour, then we divide our answer. If we divide our answer, we get, yeah, we divide what we get the final answer. Okay? So yes, now this 15 meter per second, it is the same thing as 15 meter dividing what? 1 seconds. Anything dividing 1 is give you that same thing, okay? So 15 dividing 1 seconds will give what? 15 meter per second, okay? Yes. So let's continue. So I told you guys that 15 meter per second means that 15 meter is dividing what? 1 second. So they are the same thing. So we have to convert 15 meter to what? To miles. Then we have to convert 1 second to what? Hours. Then when we get our answer, we divide our final answer, okay? We divide it, we get our final answer, okay? Now let's first convert 15 meter to miles. How are we going to do it? Remember, I told you guys that 1 miles is equals to what? 1,610 meter. Okay, so if 1 mile, okay, if 1 mile is equals to 1,610 meter, then an S mile will equals to what? Okay, yeah. If 1 mile, we all know that 1 mile is equals to 60 meter. Then an S mile will be equals to what? Will be equals to 15 meter. If you cross multiply, 1 multiplying 15 will give us 15. S multiplying 60 will give us S multiplying 1,060 will give us 1,610 S. So if you divide both sides by 1,060, we have what? 15 going to we have 15 going to 1,610. 15 divide 1,610 will give us what? Give us 0.0093. Okay, so 0.0093. So this to tell you that these are our miles, okay? Yes. We have converted 15 meter to what? 15 meter is the same thing as what? 0.0093 miles, okay? So we have converted 15 meter to what? To 0.093 miles, okay? So this that to tell you that 0.0093 miles is the same thing as what? 15 meter, or 15 meter is the same thing as 0.0093 miles. Now the next thing we are going to do, we need to convert 1 seconds to what? To hour, okay? Yes, once we have converted it to hour, we divide it with the miles to get our final answer. Okay, the very first thing we did, we converted 15 meter to miles to be what? We converted 15 meter to be what? 0.0093 miles, okay? Now to convert 1 seconds to hour, how are we going to do it? I told you guys that earlier, I told you guys that 3,600 seconds is equal to what? 1 hour. So if 3,600 seconds is equals to 1 hour, then 1 seconds, we want to convert 1 seconds to hour now. 1 seconds will be equals to what? An S hour. If you cross multiply, 1 multiply 1 will give us 1. S multiplying this will give us 3,600 x. So divide both sides by 1. Divide both sides by 3,600. If you divide both sides by 3,600, we have what? 1 going to 3,600. So L should be equals to what? 1 going to 3,600. So our answer will be 0.000 uh 278. Okay, yes. So this is our hour now. So we have gotten our miles and we have gotten our hour. Okay, we converted 1 second to what? 1 second is the same thing as what? Therefore, that this means that there are 0.000278 hours in 1 second. Okay, so to show that it's very very small. Okay, so we have converted our 50 meter to miles. Then we have converted 1 second to what? To hour. Now we will divide our answer. Okay, so if you divide 0.093 miles, divide it by 0.000278 hour. If you divide it, we have what? We have and come 0.00093 divided by 0.00278. So we have what? Our answer will be what? 33.45 mile per hour. Okay. So this is the answer to the question in the back of your textbook. If you look at the question very well, they didn't put the answer for you. So this is the answer: 33.45 mile per hour. Okay. Yes. Now let's move to other examples under I think under dimension application. So let's solve questions under dimension application.